Listen, we could use some rain. We're not going to see any, though.
No,
not a lot anyways.
It's going to be hard to come by, Kara. I mean, there is a small chance, but most of us will just see the heat.
Okay.
Or feel the heat, I should say. Here is a look at our heat alerts that we have in place. All of North Texas included in some kind of alert. And the orange that you see there, that's a heat advisory, and that's for actual temperatures making it up to 105. It'll be in place for the rest of today. The 4 counties to our west that you see there, including Palo Pinto County, Jack County, you can see there the excessive heat warning. That's for actual temperature up to 107. The heat index could get up to 112 in those 4 counties. Otherwise, our actual high temperatures in the triple digits area-wide. It could be our 13th triple-digit heat day. And if we make it to 104, the hottest day of the year. Yesterday holds that title right now. And yesterday we made it to a high close to 103. Now in Denton, right now it's 95, but it feels like 101. And that's all thanks to the high humidity that we have in place. Blue skies overhead, by the way. You can see a little haze on the horizon. Yeah, we have high levels of pollution right now. I'll get to that in just a moment. But first, to show you the heat index for this afternoon, we make it to 107 across the Metroplex. A lot of locations making it into the triple digits as early as about 1 this afternoon. And we stay there through the afternoon and this evening. Because of the high heat, because of the light winds in place and the high pressure that sits over us, we have an air quality alert. What this means is that our air pollution is likely going to be elevated, and that's going to lower our air quality. Today, it's because of ozone, and right now we're at a red or unhealthy category across the Metroplex. It's 3 steps below good air quality, so anybody with respiratory issues should limit time outside. As far as the actual temperatures go, yeah, triple digits today, but over the next several days we'll be in the mid to upper 90s, all thanks to this front moving in. It'll be a weak front, but it helps shift our winds, and that in turn will help lower the humidity just a tad. It also helps bring in a small potential for rain. And the added cloud cover, well, that's going to help out with our temperatures. Triple digits will be back next week, but something I want to point out is that the heat index over the weekend, Friday and this weekend, we will still be in the triple digits. So it'll still be hot out there, just not as hot when we're looking at the actual temperature. Here's a look at how we see the rain develop. Your timecast for this afternoon, we could see an isolated thunderstorm or two across DFW, and this will be really isolated in nature. Only one model is showing this right now, and that's it. We stay dry after that, and then a front moves in overnight into tomorrow. That's going to help pop up some showers and thunderstorms along our northwestern counties. This is around 10, by the way. We'll see this front work its way towards the south, and as we head into the very early morning hours on Friday, we see that front arrive. That's going to bring in some added cloud cover. I'm keeping 20% coverage of rain in the forecast because of this. In the afternoon, we could see some added development along our western counties, so we'll be watching for that. I'm not expecting severe weather, but we could see a quick downpour. We could see some gusty winds of about 30 to 40 miles per hour. This weekend also brings another potential for rain, and this time it's going to be along our western counties. This is on Saturday around 5. You can see a few pop-up showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm. Only 10% coverage. I'm expecting something similar on Sunday morning along our northeastern counties. Otherwise, again, we are looking just hot and we're looking dry. Looks like my clicker isn't wanting to bring up the 10-day, so I'll show you that towards the end. We'll be back.